Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode on Windows. If you want a cleaner desktop or need more screen space, this feature is super useful. Let's get started. Right-click on an empty area of the taskbar. Select Taskbar Settings from the context menu. In the Taskbar Settings window, find the option Automatically Hide the Taskbar in Desktop Mode. Toggle the switch to turn this feature on. When enabled, the taskbar will hide automatically, and it will reappear when you move your mouse pointer to the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Now you know how to easily hide the taskbar in desktop mode for a cleaner look. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.